Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Spring Security with OAuth2 login, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Spring Security with OAuth2 login, start by setting up your Spring Boot project. Create a new Spring Boot application using your preferred development environment. Ensure you include the necessary dependencies for Spring Security and OAuth2 in your POM. This typically includes the Spring Boot Starter Security and Spring Boot Starter OAuth2 client libraries. After the project setup, open the application.properties or application.yml file. You will need to configure the OAuth2 provider's settings in this file. For example, if you are using Google, you'll need to specify the client ID and client secret. You can obtain these credentials by registering your application on the Google Developer Console. Once you have your credentials, add them to your configuration file as shown in the documentation. Next, create a security configuration class to set up your security filter chain. In this class, extend Web Security Configure adapter to customize the Spring Security configuration. Override the configure HTTP security HTTP method to set up OAuth2 login support. Enable OAuth2 login by calling http.oauth2login in the configuration. You can also define custom success and failure handlers at this stage if required. This can be achieved by specifying which routes require authentication. Next, implement a controller that will handle requests to the secured resources. This controller can return a simple view or JSON data based on your application's needs. You may also want to create a front-end component to interact with the OAuth2 login flow. Consider using TimeLeaf or another template engine to create user-friendly views. After setting everything up, run your application to test the OAuth2 login functionality. Make sure to check for proper redirection and access permissions. If all goes well, you should be able to log in using the OAuth2 provider. Debug any issues by checking the logs for errors or misconfigurations. Once everything is functioning correctly, you can further customize as needed. Consider adding logout functionality to enhance user experience. Finally, ensure that your application is secure and adheres to best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.